Okay. Hello, guys.
Halloween update time.
Yeah, and a lot changed already. So the entire lobby's different.
Look at dead body.
Oh
Look
yeah.
at dead body. We're all recording this.
Look at
We're
dead
all
body.
recording this, right?
Yeah, and guys, look it's Earth Spider. And wait, I see a new mode, Ghost Tag. We have to try that at the end of the vid.
Forest.
So we've got cool revamp, kind of. Now, this is basically the same thing as the last Halloween update, like the maps.
Yeah, but
So
it basically is. The only thing that really changed is Doug.
yeah, so well, I don't know yet, but like I'm just gonna look at
Dude, I can tell that Doug changed. Just looking at him from far away. He's literally a mummy or a skeleton.
Cause like I remember this because when I played during the Halloween update, yeah.
Guys, what's that globe? Well, should we check out that globe?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure the last one, if you look through it, there's like, oh yeah, there's the blue ghost. And the purple one. Like, look at that.
Yeah,
There's
like
like spiders up there. I like to see this stuff at every map. There's the ghost right there.
If you have a wackophobia, don't look.
And there
This
is,
video is not.
there are some
If
like,
you have a
there's a big skull on the. Wait, I see the blue one too. Wait, what? That's right.
Where is he?
Wait, look at the blue one.
Where's the purple one?
The blue one is like, the blue one's like right here. And if I remember, this makes sound. Yeah, it does. And also, I'm gonna look through this globe to see what I can see in this one.
Guys, get on the bloom.
Oh, he's right there.
I'm flying.
Wait, there's two brooms. Oh, well, looks like this guy just kind of died. Yeah.
Minions.
No!
Guys, look, I saw a DJ.
Oh, it's DJ Khaled.
I call him DJ Possessed.
DJ. I've not played this game too long. Sheemish.
Oh no, it's down here.
Let's just look at like the main maps, like the new, like the new city. Duh! Spooky man. I'm gonna try those.
Whoa. What is
Wow.
this? What is this stuff?
Got.
Wow.
Yes, sir. Wait, that's normal.
What's this stuff?
Oh, here's the new stuff. This is very cool. I like that. Mystery coconut. Free badge, yes. Wait, yeah, it's free. Let me check.
My Lily looks naked for some
Hey!
reason.
Hey! No!
I'm sorry.
Oh, I just put the. Oh my. Oh,
Same.
bro, why do you get to be a yellow minion? Why am I? Yeah, you're still yellow. Like.
Oh yeah, check this out.
Wait, he actually looks like. Wait, do I look? Wait, do I still look red? A little bit.
Let me see. Nah.
Oh, cool.
Where do you get that rock from? I want the rock. I'm leaving this game.
No, I'll redo mine. Wait, is Thunder GT a good YouTuber? Yes.
Watch it.
Yes, says you're a good YouTuber. And for Minion Monkey, it says you're a good YouTuber.
Is Thunder GT?
I actually really like this mask.
It says seems slightly.
Where did you find that?
Guys? Hey,
Bro,
Minion Monkey,
what?
I don't like this.
What did you?
Ah!
Oh, what?
What'd you do?
Where'd you find it?
I got
Whoa,
chocolate.
what did you do?
Why is this chocolate so big?
Oh! Ah! Bro, I walked over here and I didn't even see that. Got hot
I was
pepper.
gonna ask why is Minion Monkey screaming?
Yeah.
It says change
we've got a rip off of my hat. It's a rip off of my hat. That's pretty not cool. Unadding. Pumpkin.
But check this out.
Sure, I got your mom. Definitely not inspired by Canine. We've got yeah, trick or treat basket, goofy one. That's like the. Oh, yeah, it's just like broken. This is. I can't even pick it up.
Hey, Minion Monkey.
Oh, wait,
Minion Monkey. Hey, Boo.
Wait, put that back on. Dude, his eyes are like perfectly see-through. That's actually perfect.
Do what you want, cause a pirate is sweet. You are a pirate.
Hey, I'm your mom. I'm your mom, so get out of here.
Saw my eyes.
I'm telling you to get out.
People saw my eyes for a sec. I bleeped it out though.
Nom. This is definitely not gonna burn my face or anything. Why can't I eat the rest? Oh. No.
What's this? Where's that? Cause I'll have another guitar. I don't know.
It's a bird. What do you mean? How do you use it? It's a bird.
I can't take.
Now I want to see how much this pumpkin mask is, cause I want it. It is. Oh. Mini monkey, get your pony. 3 more days and I can get the pumpkin mask. Yay! I actually really like.
What's this?
Got. Uh-oh.
Hey, Mini Monkey, it's time.
Where?
Wait, what? Lucy spawns? Where? Wait, that's one. How about we be good people and don't check it out? That sounds awesome.
I hear her.
Where is she?
That's the thing. That's the question. She's gonna come through there, I feel. Oh my gosh! Yeah. Oh. She, oh, okay.
She hates me.
Fortune dude.
Like fortune cookies? Like those awesome fortune cookies?
Alright, what about me? Come on, Grandpa. Tomorrow will bring a smile. Okay. Sure, bud. I'm not. Can I get in?
A different path.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
What's an arcade? Guys, you just check out the arcade. Okay, Lucy. I don't think Lucy could spawn in the arcade. Hopefully. If she can't, we're doomed.
Does this game work yet? Can you play this yet? Oh, it looks like this guy found out you couldn't play it. Thank you for being the test subject, good boy.
I want to test it out. We'll test it out in a future video. I think this guy got too bored of waiting.
Dude, for real.
And this monkey got too...
Also, guys, you might see a video of me doing these, but that's because I just decided to post that video first.
This monkey got...
So, I don't know. The video might be out. I actually don't know. It probably is not. Yeah, and this is very creepy. It's that's actually kind of cool. Wow. Wait. What is that?
Look! What's that skeleton?
It does.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah.
Well, wait, guys. Let's see which map has the most dead man.
When you do lore, you have to think. And I don't like thinking.
Dude, this is my favorite dead man. He just died eating a pumpkin, probably. Yeah.
This guy got tired. These people die in a weird.
I know. Dude, that dude was like hanging from up there.
Do what you want.
But how did he? Is that a? Well. This guy spent. No. He spent.
Well, guys, we're look at these monkeys will have a conversation.
For real. Looks like this dude, he got told that this dude he got told he's gonna die tomorrow. This dude is just seeing some things.
And this dude got left out. And this guy got left out.
For real. Wait,
he got locked in there with Lucy. No, he got locked in there with Lucy.
I just heard a. Oh, there is. Oh, and there's a. Oh, there's a T-Rex skull and a. Well, I don't know what that is. And what else is there? Is that? There's a. Wait, the blue ghost, guys! The blue ghost. Get over here. Wait, I just saw him. Well, okay, that's. We have to find the blue ghost everywhere. Should we look at where?
Where? Where?
Oh, wait, he's there. Got it. What? Do you hear it?
Hell. Let me. Monkey, you popped him.
That time he wasn't. That time he wasn't that scared. Oh, there he is.
Wait.
He's.
Wait. Oh, there he is.
Okay, I don't think that's doing anything. Should we look at?
Sir, everything is.
What? Oh! Wait! Hi, yo, bro, dap me up. Dap me up.
Okay.
Dap me up. Right. Dude, how do we just figure that out?
Let's try down.
No!
Wait,
Oh, they didn't. Wait, guys. Do you guys know about the secret Spider-Man feature? Does not require mods or anything. I don't have mods.
Because if we had mods, we wouldn't be this bad of a YouTuber.
Bro. Also, it works for any of them, so these ones over here, it also works with. Uh-huh. Wait, I hear the blue dude. Should we?
The what?
Bro. Oh. That works way better. Should we come down here? It makes a different sound. That's. Wait, let's do a combo. Wait, this one high five, this one fist bump.
I see the blue ghost.
Only the fist bump was working.
He's gone.
Wait, should we go to the spooky map?
I mean, I don't know somewhere else.
Oh, I can actually climb down the ladder. Cool.
Okay.
And guys, I have not been down here before. Oh.
I don't want to be here.
Are you sure? Wait, hand? Wait, the hand just disappeared. I'm out of here.
What do we look like? We just.
It looks like I'm like turned into a ghost now.
What if I go this way? Ha ha ha!
Underground methods.
Hello? Hello? Where's everyone?
This is not the same as Doug. This is his girlfriend, not Doug. Wait, I wonder what happened to Lucy's grave since she's now in forest. Oh yeah. Wait, she's here though. Or is this not her? Wait, it doesn't say Lucy anymore. Wait. Who's this one? Or is that the real Lucy? Wait. Why, dude, my question is, why would they put baby Lucy right next to dead not Lucy?
I call her Big Lucy.
She is kind of big, though. That's true, though.
Tiny Lucy, Big Lucy.
Inside Tom. Spoopy lights. Alright, so this dude, piano still works. Poor guy. He was actually spitting some bars. This dude, I don't know how this guy died by a table falling on him. Like, this guy's kind of a weakling if he died from that.
Guys, where are you? Guys, I want to be here. Where are you?
Dead man. Just, yeah.
Oh.
Wait, what?
Ow!
Wait.
Yeah, show off. Ah! Okay, me to show off. Yeah, totally.
Wee.
Yeah, because you are a minion. But then, why would Wendy's be making a Krabby Patty? We're totally sponsored by Wendy's.
Yeah. I'm out of here, bro. Jump through the window.
We're also sponsored by this dumb mobile game.
No, we're not promoting. But we are not promoting one of those dumb no ad mobile games.
Yeah, no ads. This game
And also,
has literally.
why are these purple now?
Huh?
The
Who's
cosmetic
purple? Why
stands.
purple? I'm.
Grimace.
The glow shake is old.
It's because it's dark in this map.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah. How about we check out forest? Oh yeah.
I want to look at beach and mountains. It's not gonna make it that long. We should. What?
Wait, what?
Okay. What? Yeah. What just happened to you?
Everyone just.
Dude, your arms just like glitched.
We gotta do this, minion. You know that, minion. You.
Dude, that was so weird, bro. You have to watch my video, dude. It just looked like you went in your menu and just exploded.
Send me your POV and I'll show it in my video. Okay, peace out. Nice knowing you.
Yep. Now it's time to join back. But sometimes I wish I could go back. I'm not in yet. I'm still joining. No, I'm not. Well, it's lying. It's so lying. Minion, I see you in your sleep. Minion. I see you in your sleep. I see you in your sleep, minion. I'm coming to tag you. Oh! Minion. Kind of funny. That's actually so true, though. No, I don't know where you are. How do you know? You could see me? No, that was probably a cap joke. Yeah! Dude, you just exposed our code. Shame. Haha, guys, you can't know the code. Why'd you just scream? Wait, tag me. I want to see. What depends if I can... what the heck was that? Well, he got put into a public server, so he might have to do this reaction in a public server. Everything important, at least. Well, I'll tag you for the end of the video. But, peace out, guys. Oh, jeez. Peace out.